Hello. In this video, I will be showing you how to manage your roster for your club organization. To access this feature, click on the drop-down menu here and click on the roster button. And it should take you to the Central Roster Hub. In the Central Roster Hub, we have a variety of options to manage. Beginning with, we have the ability to message people in the organization, manage positions available to members in the organization, invite individuals to our organization, export the roster to an off-site medium. Here we can also adjust the primary contact using this editing button on the top right. And as we scroll down a little bit, we'll see the list of members in our rosters and the positions that they hold within the club. As you can see here, we have secretary and treasurer. We have whether the roster is filtering for current members, pending members, prospective members, and the terms and conditions that the members fall under. We can also terminate membership by clicking End Membership if we select a member, or we could click End All Memberships to terminate every individual on the roster. So to invite people, we click this Invite People button. Here we'll be given the prompt to add an email address. We can add up to 500 email addresses in this text box, so long as they are separated by commas or by an enter key, as only one email address can be available per line. And then once you have the email entered, you just click Add Email and we'll add the individual to the roster. To return to the roster, we click the Back to the Roster button. Furthermore, we have Manage Positions. This will allow you to categorize your roster into different roles. For instance, here we see a list of roles available for my club here. The advisor role is an officer type role. We have it activated, whereas the member role is obviously a member role, and that one's active. Vice president is an officer role and is active. To add a member or a position for members, you just click here in the Position tab, and it will give us a prompt to create a position. It could be anything we like. I could put inventory manager. We can decide whether or not it's a member position or an officer position, whether this position is active or inactive. Shows the position on the public roster associated to the individual that holds such position. Receive organization contact form emails, and the extent of which they have management access to the club page here at the UAH Campus Labs. As we are not creating anything, I shall click Cancel. And then back to roster to take us to the main central hub for the roster page. Messaging, you just click the Messaging tab here. This will allow you to contact individuals within your organization through message relays or text messages. You can search previous message relays here, specific ones here on the search bar. If you want to compose a new message relay, you would just click the Create Message Relay button. Likewise, with text messages, you just click the Text Message tab, and it will show you previous texts as well as the option to send a new text. Back to the roster. And that's the basics on how to manage the roster tab for the UAH Campus Labs.